All right, everybody. This is the Lygia Clark exercise, the second one. All right. And once again, we're talking about contrast, or about negative space. And of course, all our stuff is usually geometric, which are straight line shapes. This is what Lygia Clark's work looks like. And what we're making today is kind of a book. It's called the accordion book. And she made a couple accordion books, and they're pretty cool looking. It gives you a bunch of different places to put things. You can make like a bunch of different designs, and then they sort of converse with each other. So that's why I wanted us to do this today. Plus, since you know how to do the other one, this one shouldn't be that bad. All right, so the first thing you do is get it even at the top, hold it tight, mush it down too, okay? Second thing you do, take this top, and then mush. I'm gonna mush. I like mushing to me. Mushing to me. All right, here we go. There we go. Now I have 1, 2, 3, 4 places. All right. Now we have all this stuff left over from the other ones. All right, from the other exercise. Now you could cut them any way you want, but you want them to look interesting, like she does, by putting stuff, all these little black and gray stuff. Make interesting designs that have spaces in between them, and they don't have to be like too difficult. All right. Although she will take something like this and, you know, maybe create something that comes off of it that's interesting looking. And today they can touch each other. The other day they couldn't. All right. But what I'm looking for is interesting. All right. I'm going to do this and this. All right. If you want to, you certainly can make rectangles and stuff, because she does a lot of rectangles. Oops. They're kind of to cut because we cut so many of them that, you know, this is sort of more like the kind of thing that you would do anyway. Yeah, like this. Probably have to do something to make this a little more interesting. And then she might do something like this. This is kind of her thing to do. Little things that come off. So you can fill these up all the way, and then you're going to glue them down. And I'm going to tell you today, if you use a lot of glue and it gets gloppy, you're going to have a hot mess going on. All right. So, you know, you get to do it the way you want, but I'm looking for interesting. All right, that's what I'm looking for. Something that will. I mean, I can't tell you. She is one of the most interesting artists. She and her friend, Lygia, they also have the same first name. See how that makes an interesting shape in and around objects? That's what we're talking about. That negative space. You look at the airplane. The space in and around it is interesting as the space in it. Like the picture of the wolf, same thing, all right? And she's got interesting shapes in here. These are her pictures right here, okay? And so that's what I want you to do today. And you see she did like a whole book of these, all right? And she got some pretty interesting stuff, and I want you to try to do it. The more you build up, really, the more interesting it's gonna be. Thanks.